Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about AHREFS, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you download and print an AHREFS website audit report? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download and print an AHREFS website audit report anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online by running an SEO agency, you know that providing and showing a website audit report is a good way to gain trust with your new customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AHREFS account. It's this website, app.ahrefs.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. Once you're there on that website, you do need to log into your paid AHREFS account. I've already logged into mine, and this is the home page. Now, in order to get your AHREFS website audit report, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you see your projects. Okay, so once you scroll down, you're going to see this section here called projects. Go ahead and click on projects. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show a list of all of the different projects that you have uploaded into your AHREFS account. Another easy way to find a list of your different projects is scroll to the top. Once you're here at the top, go ahead and click on this button here, more. Once you do that, then you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Site Audit. Okay, once you click on Site Audit, once again, you're going to see all of the different projects that you have available in your AHREFS account. So if that website has not been crawled yet, you do need to initiate a crawl under the status. I've already initiated on all of the different projects that I have. Now, you can't actually get the Site Audit report to be downloaded or printed until the crawl has been completed. So for example, this one, it's still crawling. It's only at 4%. However, this one has been crawled already and it's in green. So we'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to have a drop down menu here on the left. And then it's also going to give you an overview of all of the SEO suggestions, including the top issues that should be corrected on that particular website. So when I'm getting a website audit from AHREFS, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the left, and then you're going to see this section here called reports. So you can choose what type of report that you want to download or to print. So it really depends on what type of customer you have and then what type of value you're going to provide. So you can give them a quick overview. All you're going to do is scroll over to the right, and then here on the top, you can go ahead and print the PDF version of this site audit from AHREFS. So I'll click here. Okay, so I'm recording on a phone just because it's a little easier for me, but here you can see an image of the report that we would be downloading, as you can see right here, and it's going to give general information, including the top issues for this particular website. So you can go ahead and save that and then click on done. All right, once you've got that report, if you want another site audit report, you can go ahead and click on the type of report that you want to download from AHREFS. So for example, if you want a link report, we'll click on links. Okay, so once we click on links, this is the links report from AHREFS. So here it shows the link type internal and external. It also shows any broken internal links, any kind of broken external links. And then all you're going to do is the same thing on the top right, just scroll over to the right, and then you're going to see that same button, print to PDF. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to see an image of the report. So let me click on that. Okay, so you can see here is an image of the report that we would be downloading. So once you have all of the different reports for your site audit, you can go ahead and merge the PDFs and provide that to your customer. You can even add a cover page if you have that available, and then that way it makes the report look much more customized directly from your company. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download and print a site audit report from your AHREFS account, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.